everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm here at the Happy Place Villas after 6 months. So because of the whole corona pandemic situation, we were shut for 6 months, but we're finally open. We are ready to take your bookings. I'm gonna pop up the date on the screen in case you want to book the villa. All the booking details are going to be mentioned in the description box below, the contact information. You can call and inquire more. But if you're a new follower or a new subscriber, you might not really know what I'm talking about. So just as context, the Happy Place Villas is a 5 BHK private villa, and it also has a beautiful pool and a really spacious terrace. So I did help with the DIYs and the interior decor of this place. So I thought it's fair to do kind of like a tour of the entire villa. We've tried to like kind of customize every single room, give it kind of like a theme, and yeah, I have been meaning to do, as I was saying, I've been meaning to do kind of like an in-detail tour of this entire villa, like a house tour. It is Aditya's house, right? So it is a house tour. So yeah, let's just get started with the tour. Okay, so before we get started with the tour, I just want to quickly talk to you guys regarding the safety precautions and the sanitization process that we're following. Once you arrive at the villa, a thermo check is done for each and every customer before entry. It is mandatory for each customer to wear a mask during this process. Upon entry, each customer is required to sanitize themselves before moving forward. Other than that, we also take utmost care and sanitize each and every part of the villa, as you may see. This includes the windows, the doors, wardrobes, bathroom, etc. Basically, everything is properly sanitized before the arrival of the next customer. Let's get started. So this is what the villa looks like. By the way, I don't think I mentioned that the villa is in Alibaug, Sonar, Peth. Of course, all the details are in the description box below, but this is what the villa looks like at first glance. So on the right, we have the pool, and then we have the villa obviously, and then here is the parking space. So this area can park about 4 cars easily, right? Okay. So here is like a seating area. This very quickly has become one of our favorite spots. We have our chai here, sometimes meals, but we prefer having the meals inside. But we definitely have like chai and breakfast right here. And then behind is my favorite part, which is the pool. So if you know anything about me, you know I'm a water baby. I love to swim. So obviously this is my favorite part of the entire villa. What I really like about this pool is that it has this beautiful white brick wall. So if I'm taking pictures or stories, it just looks nice. And on top of that, we have so many plants and so much of greenery. So it just looks beautiful all around. And then here is just the front deck where you can chill, you can dance with your friends if that's what you want to do. So here is the shower area. Of course, you have to take a shower before entering the pool. And then this is kind of like a restricted area because it's for the helpers who stay here and who help like manage the whole villa, clean the villa. So this is their quarters. So we're back where we started. Here we actually have a staircase जो ऊपर जाता है, but we'll get to that area in a bit. Let's start with this beautiful green wall where you can take lots of pictures. We are planning on adding a few more elements here. उसको थोड़ा time लगेगा, but even on its own, it's really pretty. This is the store area. Again, we have one more store room. And then here is the first bedroom. So this is a beautiful pink flamingo themed room. I know I'm going to say beautiful a lot of times in this video because I'm obsessed with this place and I really think it turned out beautiful. So let's get started with the tour of the first room. So here's an overview of the pink / flamingo room. In the center, there's a bed, which by the way is very, very comfortable. It's like a hotel style bed with white sheets, and for like the accent pillows, we have pink, obviously like a flamingo, and then like a chevron print pillow. There are also 2 side tables with plug points in case you need to charge your devices. And then every room has a brick wall as like the backdrop, and on top of which we've added these really cool carved frames, pink frames. And here is another one of my masterpieces. We all made this as like a collaborative thing. So I remember, of course, Aditya and I were there to make this, but I also remember there was Jatin and Siddhi who also helped us make this. So we've made this completely from scratch. It's this really pretty macrame with lots of tassels and pom-poms, and I think it just like ties the whole room together. So here we have the wardrobe in case you need to store your clothes, your bags, and then also we have some hooks in case you want to store your clothes. And then here is the washroom. So overall it's a very cozy and comfy room. I think I forgot to show you guys the door. So every door is like colored according to like the theme of the room. So obviously this is like a pink, it's like a coral pink sort of a color. and then here we have the curtains. If you open up the curtains, you have the pool view, and I also forgot to show you guys the TV. So every room has a TV in case you want to watch TV. So I've switched on the yellow light, the mood lighting. I love switching it on, especially in the evening. Sometimes I'll even like switch it on during the day, but it just like really sets the vibe and it's very cozy, comfy. I also forgot to show you guys the AC. So yeah, there's an AC in each and every room. So that's it for the pink room. Actually, when Mansi came here, she stayed in this room. Just a fun fact. Let's move on to room number 2. So onto room number 2, this is kind of like a palm themed room. Like greens are really in, right? So I'm so glad that we made like a full green inspired room. If you can tell already, we have like rooms on the basis of different colors. So this is a pink room, this is kind of like a green room. Then we also have a yellow room. So yeah, anyway, let's get started with room number 2 ka tour. So this is the door that we just came in from. Green color ka door hai, and then यहाँ पे green curtains hai again. Again, इसको खोल दोगे तो pool का view है. I'm just going along with the palm theme room. So here's the brick wall on top of the bed. For this wall, we wanted to do something very minimal. So we got these plain black and white frames which say Sweet Dreams right on top of the bed. Very cute. And for the bed, again, the same hotel style bed with a palm themed pillow and a chevron print pillow, black and white. I feel like this room of course has a lot of greens but also black and white just to balance it out. And here we have some plants to add to the greenery. You're probably wondering again, why fake plants, right? We didn't want to have like insects inside the room, which is why we decided to stick to fake plants. क्योंकि असली plants होते हैं तो ants होती है, insects होते हैं, so this looks good, adds to the greenery without the hassle. Again, has switchboards on either side with side tables. And then here we have the wardrobe again, the washroom, and then the TV right in front of the bed. And on to room number 3. Now this room is my favorite. Everything's my favorite about this villa, obviously, but this has like a special like a piece of my heart because we used to actually even stay here when we used to come here to decorate the place. So I think last year around the monsoons we used to come here every weekend and every chance we could to do DIYs and just like amp up the place. So we would always stay in this room. Adya, Aditya and I तीनों एक ही room में रहते थे. Even though this place has so many bedrooms, we would all stuff in this one bedroom and you would work on the DIYs. But other than that also, I feel like the room turned out so cute. Like all the elements just like fit right in. Even though yellow isn't like specifically like one of my favorite colors, but this room looks A1. So when you enter the room, this is the first thing that you see. We have like a collage of images, like a bunch of frames. I think there are 16 frames and all of them have like a yellow vibe going on. I love this wall. And then here we have the bed. So same thing, brick wall, uske upar ye beautiful sunflower ka kind of mural hai. I don't know what to call it exactly. We've DIYed it just by the way. We have a bed and then a yellow chevron and then like a pineapple cushion. And then similarly, yahan pe wardrobe hai. I've opened the doors just to show you what the wardrobe looks like from the inside if you're interested. And here's the wardrobe closed. And here we have the washroom. And this is the other side of the room. Fun yellow curtains, and we have these planters, which by the way we've DIYed, and a yellow door. I think that's it to this room. Let's move on to the living room. So here we have kind of like a living space where all of you guys can come together, have a meal. There's a fridge also. So I really like this place for night time. If you don't want to sit upar terrace pe, this is a great alternative. And other than that, you can also use this kind of like a bedroom because there's a sofa cum bed and also there's a sleeping space. So I feel like easily 4 people can sleep here, that is for sure. And also thoda sa privacy bhi hai because upar also there's a door and yahan pe bhi there's a door. So it's kind of like a bedroom only. Okay, so when you walk in, this is what you're going to see to the right. This is the sitting area, I guess. So if you've noticed, we haven't done any blues so far. So this kind of has like a blue feel. So we have an L-shaped couch, which is by the way a sofa cum bed. Last night I slept here and it was so comfortable. So as mentioned earlier, here room mein aaram se 4 log kam se kam can sleep. On top we have this Polaroid rainbow frame, which I DIYed, and I think this is like my favorite DIY. Wouldn't you agree? Yeah. So we have a cute frame, and then this couch. really cute pillow, and then a tree, a fake plant. In the corner, this room also has an AC and a fridge and a TV. And then here, as I mentioned, there's a fridge just in case you want to keep your drinks or food. And then here we have this platform area where you can serve your food. And then again a sink. And यहाँ पे फिर से एक attached washroom है. So here we have the back deck. So let's go and check out the back deck. So this is the back deck, which again we didn't really use initially, but now we've been like really enjoying this space, especially because of this jhula, which is very comfortable. So here, I mean, again, we like to have breakfast here. This is kind of like a breakfast nook for us. We like to sit niche, but of course you can get chairs and sit properly. But this jhula, let's have a closer look. So this is the comfy jhula. You can take cute pictures here. I'm going to do that after we're done with this video, or you can just like sit and chill. So this is the back porch for you guys. And then on the opposite side, we have the staircase which leads to the terrace. We'll go there in a bit. But here we have a really cute sitting nook. So again, this is a really cozy, comfy nook. I will totally sleep here. And यहाँ पे फिर से एक triangle है जो ऊपर भी है, which you'll see in a little bit. We painted this one as well. So on the wall, the staircase wall, we put these movie posters. So I think initially, do you remember Adya and I wanted to put like really cute like chick flicks, but Adya didn't let us. So we just have really, I think like some of his favorite posters, which happen to be really popular movies as well. So we have Avengers, Star Trek, some movies that I don't know, Fight Club. So yeah, that's what is on this wall. I think let's go outside and check out the other staircase, and then we'll go to the terrace. So we're back to staircase number 1. Let's go and check out the upstairs. So the whole wall of the staircase is covered in these wheelies. You're probably wondering why did we like stick to real creepers instead of doing like these fake ones. It's because it kind of hampers with the structure. It like weakens the structure, which is why we stuck to plastic wheelies, but it gives the look and it's very pretty. Also we have these colorful tires. You can take pictures here, of course. Let's check out the terrace area. So this is what the terrace looks like. It has this really cool checkered flooring, like very retro. I really like it. And I think it goes really well with the pop of yellow. At the back, the triangle, by the way, we've painted the whole triangle. Adi, Adya and I painted it together. And also, as you can see, there's like a seating area at the back. So you can have your meals up here or chill at night. By the way, at night, this place is a vibe. So we have these beautiful fairy lights across. And it looks so pretty. I'll insert a clip of what it looks like at night. I hope the camera is able to like capture the beauty. I'm sure it won't be able to, but you can have like kind of like a glimpse. It looks very cool, very pretty. So this is again another seating area right here. This is the triangle that I was talking to you guys about earlier. You can sleep here at night also if you want, or just like chill here. I think it's a cute picture spot. So we have 2 more bedrooms right here. This door is the जो hall का entry था जो मैंने दिखाया था staircase. This is where it opens up. So there are 2 staircases to access the terrace. Let's start with this room. So नीचे वाले जो bedrooms थे, they are like very colorful, but the top bedrooms we decided to keep kind of more mature and muted, but still very pretty. So this one is like a jute theme, like a bohemian themed sort of a room. So it's a very neutral themed room. Let's get started with the tour. So when you enter, this is what you see on the left hand side. The door again has like a beige sort of a color, and here on the wall we have like a rustic wall art going on, which I mean by this point you know most of the things we've DIY'd. We've DIY'd this as well, and then we have a plant right here just to go with like the aesthetics of it. Wardrobe bhi hai yahan par, just like all the rooms. And now on the other side there's a bed. Let me show you that. So here's the bed. The upar ke 2 rooms, the jute room and then the marble room, are a little bit bigger as compared to the other rooms. So there's more space. So yahan pe hai again we have the bed. Very simple. This room is very simple jute pillows, and we just tried to keep this room very clean and mature. So yahan pe there's a back deck, like a small balcony. Let me show you what that looks like, and before that we also have one more window right here. So this is what the balcony looks like. This is actually the only room in the villa that doesn't have a pool view, but it has this beautiful greenery. So here we have the washroom. I forgot to show you guys the washrooms niche, so let me show you, like give you like a quick tour of the washroom. So this is what the washroom looks like. The washrooms are very well maintained and very clean. So here we have the basin and the mirror hand towel bhi hai यहाँ पे shower hai with a geyser of course, and here we have the pot and just a rack for you to keep your clothes and your towels. So yeah, I think that's basically about it for the washroom. And the last bedroom that we have right here is like a marble themed room. I love marble. Everyone loves marble, I feel like. So I feel like a lot of people are going to like this room. So I just entered and this is the back of the door. It's grey in color to go with the marble theme. And here we have like a wall code which says, do what you love and love what you do. Let's move in and check out the rest of the room. Okay, so this is what the marble room looks like. It's not very like my aesthetic because it has a lot of blacks and greys, but I do really like this room. For the frames, we have two frames on the top which say grateful and breathe, and we have some fluid art which again is done by us. And then it's just the same thing. There's a really comfortable bed with some marble themed cushions, and there are two like mini windows on either sides of the bed, so we have grey curtains and we have a brick wall right here. So instead of having the brick wall behind the bed like the bottom wale rooms, यहाँ पे it's on the side of the bed. So here we've hung a macrame, a wool hanging, which again is made by us, and it looks very nice. Like it complements the room really well. And like all rooms, this room also has an attached washroom. There's a TV, there's an AC. So on the other side of the brick wall, we have a huge window which kind of like has a mini balcony almost. And here we have a wardrobe. Now let's go and check out the balcony because it has like a pool view. And this is balcony number 2. This has like a complete view. That's where we enter from. And then here is the pool. So this is what the villa looks like at night. I think especially this area looks really cute. Looks like a really cute restaurant. And this is what the actual structure looks like. There are some blue lights which kind of look purple right now, but they look really nice. And then on the terrace we have the yellow mood lighting. And here is the pool. And yeah, that's it for today's video. This video has been in the works for a year at this point, and I've been meaning to make this video for so long, but kuch na kuch ki wajah se like it kept getting delayed. But I'm so glad that we finally put this whole video together, and I hope you guys really like this place. We've spent hours, days, weeks actually like putting this whole place together. Personally, I've never really seen a villa which is this cute. Am I allowed to say that? The rooms are super cute and the pool's very nice. Everything's super clean. I'm not just saying this because my friend owns it. I really truly believe in this villa. And also, if you're in Mumbai or if you're visiting Mumbai, it's just a few hours away from Mumbai. So definitely check out this place. It truly is my happy place. So yeah, anyway, that's about it. Definitely check out the description box for more details. And I think that's about it. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye. So yeah, let's get started with the bedroom. We don't hall. In plain black and white frames which says sleep dreams on top of the bed. I think it's really
sweet dreams. पढ़ तो ठीक से.
TV के एकदम सामने there's a TV. Bed के सामने. Let's move on to the
first floor.
First floor.